Only toothpaste and Coca-Cola mixed together will leave you speechless with the results. To start, take 1 spoonful of toothpaste, any kind will do, and add it straight into the Coke. As soon as they meet, the mixture begins to react, and that's when the magic starts. Close the bottle tightly and give it a gentle shake. Don't go overboard. You just want the toothpaste to dissolve completely without the soda exploding. Once it's mixed, open the bottle carefully to release the gas slowly. Now pour the mixture into a larger container. Watching it fizz is oddly satisfying. Next, add 3 generous tablespoons of dish soap. I'm using a lemon-scented one because I love the fresh smell. But honestly, any brand or scent works just fine. Pour it in and stir gently. Comment below with your city. I love seeing where everyone's watching from. Now it's time to add 1 heaping tablespoon of baking soda. The moment it touches the mixture, you'll see an instant reaction. Lots of fizz and bubbles. That's a good sign. To finish, pour in 1 full cup of room temperature water. This helps balance the mixture, so it's easy to apply and doesn't leave residue behind. Give it 1 final stir until it's completely blended. The texture should be silky and uniform with a faint shine on the surface. Now, to make it easy to use, transfer everything into a spray bottle. A funnel helps avoid spills. But if you don't have one, you can pour carefully using the edge of your container. Fill it almost to the top and close it tightly. Give it 1 light shake and it's ready to use. And here's what makes it even better. It's completely safe, affordable, and made from everyday household items. No harsh fumes, no expensive cleaners, and no damage to your cookware or surfaces. Just simple ingredients working together perfectly. Now let's put it to the test. Take a look at this aluminum pan. It's dull, greasy, and covered in burnt stains that seem impossible to remove. Most people would give up or buy a new one, but not you. Spray the mixture all over the surface until it's fully coated. Let it sit for about a minute, then grab a sponge and start scrubbing gently. Would you try this at home? Comment yes or no. What happens next is pure magic. You'll see the dark spots and grime begin to melt away almost instantly. With barely any effort, the surface starts to shine again, revealing that beautiful metallic finish underneath. After just a few minutes, the pan looks brand new. Rinse it with clean water and prepare to be shocked. It's spotless, smooth, and gleaming like it just came off the store shelf. You can even use the same mixture on stove burners, sink surfaces, or other areas where grease and buildup collect. Spray, scrub, rinse, and everything comes back to life with minimal effort. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. You'll never look at toothpaste and Coke the same way again. If you enjoyed this tip, hit the like button, leave a comment telling me where you're watching from, and share this with your friends so they can try it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.